eat, Biel? Salad. Bread, Biel, bread. Pizza baby, oh. Pizza baby. Ito, pizza. May pizza. Biel! Come on! Biel! Ano kaya to? Fried chicken. Ano to, Daddy? Taas mo nga, please. Ayaw mo lang? Please, taas mo lang. Rin lang. Kita. Sambal with anchovies. Si Lemak. No. Si Lemak. Meron pa din sa labas. Non-vegetarian counter. Fruit. What's this? Apples. Almonds. Peanuts. Nuts. Coco Crunch. You like Coco Crunch? Yes? Do you like Coco Crunch? Ito mga cheese, Daddy, oh. Cheese. And porridge. I like porridge. Taiwanese, what it means? Chicken? What it means chicken? Pang porridge to. Miso soup. Meron din pala sila dito miso soup. Miso soup. Braised egg. Means chicken. Porridge. Fish. Chicken roll. I like it, Daddy. Chicken roll for me. Bean curd fried roll doon. Oo. Chicken roll daw yan.
Dalawa?
Ay, hindi pala yung chicken roll. Bean curd yan, ano? Sige, dalawa. Eto, what's this? Chicken. Ayun, chicken roll. Glutinous rice. Pandan pao? Ano yan? Cheng chong. Pandan pao. Pandan? Eto, Daddy, kuha mo nga ako nito, please. Chicken roll. Chicken roll. Isa lang, na-try ko lang, oo. Omelette, please. Egg omelette.
Yeah, omelette.
Wala, ay, lulutuin pa ba yan?
Oo.
Akala ko ano. Egg